Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down real-world problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling something that's a headache for many homeowners: how to make a successful water leak insurance claim in 2025. With new regulations and digital tools rolling out this year, it's more important than ever to get this right. So, let's dive in. First off, if you've got a water leak, time is of the essence. Start by documenting everything. Take clear photos and videos of the damage, note the date and time it started, and keep receipts for any immediate repairs. This evidence will be your best friend when dealing with insurers. In 2025, many companies are requiring digital submissions, so make sure you upload these to their online portals right away. Next, review your insurance policy thoroughly. Policies have changed with the 2025 updates, including potential coverage expansions for climate-related leaks. Look for specifics on what qualifies as a covered event, like burst pipes or flooding, and understand any deductibles or exclusions. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to call your agent for clarification. It's better to know up front than to face surprises later. Now, file your claim promptly. Most insurers have a 24 to 48-hour window for initial reports to avoid complications. Use the insurer's app or website for a faster process. 2025 brings enhanced digital features, like AI-assisted claim forms that guide you through the steps. Be detailed but concise in your description, and include all that evidence we talked about. One common pitfall? Underestimating follow-ups. After submitting, track your claim status online and follow up weekly if needed. If there's a dispute, gather expert opinions, like from a plumber, to strengthen your case. Remember, persistence pays off. Finally, once approved, ensure you understand the payout and any repairs required. Use the funds wisely and keep records for your taxes. Some 2025 policies offer tax deductions for approved claims. There you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating water leak claims in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Stay dry out there, and thanks for watching.